This is the OD1. It's a fun little smartwatch with a always-on style of a watch face in analog or digital that lights up when you twist your wrist. But if you want more than that, you simply tap the button and you're into your home watch face, whichever one you choose. Slide down, you get all these controls, including overall brightness, information about the app that's tethering for this one. You've also got music player. It's optimized for music, gang, with a speaker right there, and Bluetooth calling as well. You've also got Alipay type of payment system in here, but of course that only works in China. This way, you get your date and time, messages sent from your phone, the Bluetooth calling capability right there in your most recently used apps. Off this direction, you've got your step count information for the day, broken down into hourly little tick marks. You can land here, get your heart rate, instantaneous. In the background, it's doing it continuous. You got ECG, which is really not ECG. It's another way of doing your basic heart rate. You get your pulse, but simulated chart when you touch this. Supposedly it activates it. Sometimes it doesn't work. Anyway, you could skip over that one. You've also got your blood oxygen in this one using green diode rather than red. It is an inexpensive smartwatch, but you do get the data. And you got an integrated music player here that you can get to, the same as what you swipe down from above. You can change out some of these if you'd like to for others as well. When you swipe up, now you get into everything. Phone, messages, contacts, your call records, all the stuff that has to do with Bluetooth calling. You got fitness data. This is where you see the results of your workout activities. Here's sporting activities. These are the things you can do. Runs, cycling. Now, each of these are categories, so you can go into any of them, like fight sports. Look at this. Amazing. All kinds of different activities. Cycling and all different styles of cycling. So on and on and on. Very robust in all of the activities it does. This one does blood sugar, supposedly, but it only gives you a reading here, and it doesn't save it to the watch, the app, or anywhere else. And I'm not sure how accurate it is. Heart rate, ECG we already talked about. You have blood pressure and blood oxygen as well. The blood oxygen, again, using green diode technology. NFC is built into this for those of you who use it to unlock doors and things. The music player. Last night's sleep time is all in here. You've also got a stopwatch, time zone capability, weather in your area in centigrade or Fahrenheit and the current conditions, GPS motion track if you use it with the phone. For that purpose, you can set time, 12/24 hour. You've got an integrated flashlight in here that's really nice and bright. You saw that. Emergency contact for making phone calls. The calculator's built into it as well. Ladies, you got your set period tracking. You've got breath training, menu style change. It just goes on and on. Even drainage for getting the water out of the watch when you swim with it. Yeah, it's a waterproof watch to boot as well. In terms of the bands, it's simple little rubberized removable bands on this. Comes in 3 different colors. This is the silver one here. You got gold and black as well. All in all, a very nice, inexpensive Bluetooth calling, music streaming smartwatch. It's the OD1. Check it out.